How to use Blockade Labs. Upon entering the Skybox AI platform, the first step is to select the style that best suits your needs. This is essentially choosing the type of environment or texture you want your 3D space to represent. Once you've made your selection, all you need to do is single-click on your desired style. As soon as you've done that, scroll to find the Start with This button and click on it to initiate the image creation process. Next, you come across the most crucial part of this procedure, the description. In this section, you need to precisely describe the scene you want to create. This could be as broad as a snowy mountain, or as intricate as a city street on a rainy afternoon. The AI system incorporated in Skybox AI is sophisticated enough to assimilate and process even the smallest of details. Finally, click on the Generate button. Once you've accomplished this final step, the remarkable AI of Skybox AI goes into effect. It processes your given information, and with a deft amalgamation of art and technology, a breathtaking 360-degree view of your desired scene is created.